friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Monica. In case this is the first time here, thanks for joining, thanks for watching, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, Morphe had a sale a little bit before like their Cyber Monday sale that they had and their Black Friday sale that they had. So everything that I purchased was a much better sale than what they had after this sale, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna basically do like a little unboxing or mini Morphe haul with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I did buy a Jeffree Star product just because it was so cheap. I couldn't pass it up, and I'm running out of setting spray, so this one was $5, so that's the only reason why I bought it. So this is the Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist Strawberry Scent. I haven't tried it out because I wanted to smell it on here on camera with you guys. So you know what it smells like? I guess it does give me like a strawberry scent, but it kind of smells like you know, like the makeup that you get at Claire's from like when you're a little girl. That's kind of what it smells like. But I like it. I like the smell. I don't know how well it'll work, but I'm sure it'll work amazing. I use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist now, so this is kind of the same thing. This is a set and refresh, so I like that it refreshes your skin. And then I got this matte Morphe lipstick. I tried to use it the other day, but I was in a rush and I didn't really have time to apply it very well. It is super matte, as you guys could see. It's like super matte. I've never tried their matte lipstick, but I have tried their matte liquid lipstick, and I don't know how well I like this one, but it's like, it's dark. I obviously already have lipstick on, so I'm just applying this on top. I guess if I mix it, I do like it, because alone I think it's too dark for my skin tone. I'm like, during the fall winter season I get really pale, so I don't like how dark lipstick looks against my pale skin. Like if I went in the sun, then you guys would be like, dang, go get some sunlight. So yeah, I got that lipstick. I guess let me swatch it on my wrist for you guys, that way you could see. It actually looks super pretty. Like, the swatch looks really pretty. I wish you guys could see it in person. Oh, and I didn't even mention the name of this. This is Main Squeeze. So this is actually a really pretty color. That's what it looks like swatched. I think it might just be me getting used to it, because dude, like literally every day I use the same liquid lipstick, which is by NYX in Abu Dhabi. Like, that's the only color that I use. Then I got this 351 Icy Fantasy palette. I've been wanting this palette for a while, but I don't know, is it just me, or are we not shopping for makeup as much as we used to? But I've been wanting colors like this color palette right here, like the nudes. I'll swatch out a little bit of them. I haven't even used this palette. A lot of the colors in the palette I do already have. But let's see, this is the blue shade, which is in the name. I was like, wow, that looks like Chinese. It was because it was upside down. This one is called Into the Blue. And hold on, let me put this palette down, that way I could swatch it. And Into the Blue right there. I'll swatch some other shades. It's kind of hard to keep up with the names of the shades that I'm swatching, because if you guys have ever bought Morphe before, then you know the way that they put the names on there. It's just like on plastic sheets. Sorry, that's not the best purple swatch. I'll do this like green one. This is a green shade. There you go. So I'm really excited actually to play with these colors, with this new palette. I think I could create some really fun winter wonderland looks for this upcoming holiday season. The names of the eyeshadow palette are super cute. So Snow Glow, Wishful, Flash Freeze, Secret Escape. I don't know why I can't talk. Day, Starlit, Frostbright. So this is a super, I'm like looking at it and reading off of it. That's not fun for you guys to look at, but see, like this is the way that they put the names on there. It's just like a plastic sheet. I never keep these personally. I always throw it out because it's just like, to me, it's just extra junk for me to have in my makeup drawers. And last but not least, what I was actually like, I kept like looking into the Morphe website almost every day. Like, I'm not even gonna like lie. I needed new brushes. The brush set that I have is the Jaclyn Hill brush set, which came out like, I don't even know how long ago. Like, I want to say like maybe 3-4 years ago, or maybe even longer. But literally, like, that's how long I've had my brushes. They're like falling apart because I wash them pretty often. I don't like to just like do the simple clean or whatever. I do wash them pretty often. So I went ahead and purchased the James Charles brush set. And you guys, this was like such a steal for me, I feel, because, okay, so I really like that it's got a standing up little container, so I don't really have to purchase anything. I could if I wanted to make it look a little bit cuter, because this isn't like the cutest little thing, but it's great for travel, like if you're in MUA or anything like that. So it comes with the beauty blender, which is awesome. And it comes with all of these brushes, which are still enclosed. So give me a few minutes and I will start taking everything out to kind of show you guys how many brushes it is. It's actually like a really good deal. So I don't know if I mentioned the price already, but I got all of the brushes for 70 bucks, like 74 or something like that. Wow, like I can't even like tell you guys how excited I am to have new brushes. Like, they even feel so much different. Like, I don't even remember what new brushes feel like. I feel like whenever I shop, I always put off stuff that I shouldn't, like brushes. And so now that I have all of these, look at all these brushes, dude. Like, this is amazing. And it's super cool that it comes with a beauty blender. I've never used the Morphe beauty blenders before, so I'm excited to try them out. Okay, let me open them and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just needed to pop in here really cute. I'm still like unwrapping every single brush, but I wanted to show you guys this in case I forget. Look how cute. They're so little compared to like a brush. I didn't know that these came in. These are super cute. Okay, I'll continue to unwrap them. That way I can show you guys. Okay, so I finally removed all of the plastic from all of the brushes. So look at all this plastic. It's just so much plastic, literally. Like, I think we could do a little bit better on this because this is a lot of weight. But anyways, I counted all of the brushes. It is 33. Did I say lashes or brushes? I counted all of the brushes. It's 33 brushes, which I absolutely love. These are like for detail. Like, the brushes are so detailed. Like, these would have been perfect for Halloween for detailed lining. Like, I just love it. It's got an eyebrow brush for you. It's just such a good brush set collab with James Charles. Good job, James. I really love it. I counted them. Did I say that's 33? It does come with the foundation brush and a beauty blender. I don't use a foundation brush. I usually use a beauty blender, so I really like that it comes with one of those. I have been wanting this brush set because, like I was saying, it focuses mainly on like eye brushes, and it's got like your basic face brushes as well that I really like. So this brush set I think is like so far my favorite. They're so freaking soft. I mean, I'm sure you guys have already used Morphe brushes, but I wanted to show you guys this set. I definitely recommend it. They constantly have discount codes online, so if you're looking for a brush set, this is the one to go, especially for your eye makeup. So yeah, all right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on my mini Morphe haul video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed filming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube video if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, Felicia.